Tired of endless distractions or concerned about online content? Let's dive into how you can block any website on Chrome to reclaim your focus and enhance your online safety. First, open Chrome and click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. Then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Now navigate to Extensions, which is usually found on the left-hand side of the Settings page. Here's where the magic happens. Click on the 3 lines to open the Extensions menu, and then click on Open Chrome Web Store. Type Block Site into the search bar and hit Enter. Several website blocker extensions will appear. Block Site is a popular choice, so click on it, and then click the Add to Chrome button. Confirm the installation by clicking Add Extension in the pop-up window. Once installed, the block site icon will appear in your Chrome toolbar. Click on the icon to access its settings. In the block site settings, you can manually enter the website URLs you want to block. For example, type in the URL of a website and press the Add button. Voila! Now, if you or anyone else tries to visit that website, they'll be redirected to a block site page, or you can customize it to show a motivational quote or even redirect to another website you prefer. You can remove any site from the blocked list by looking at the block list. Blocking websites can significantly boost productivity and enhance online safety. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share this video. And let us know in the comments what other Chrome tips you'd like to see.